Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you are new on this channel, please kindly share, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the red notification bell to enjoy more of my videos. Today's video I will be showing you how to make akara. What is akara? Akara is an African dish made from peeled beans, formed into a ball and then deep fried inside oil. These are the ingredients we are going to be using: beans, black eyed bean, pepper, habanero pepper, chili, bell pepper, onions, garlic and ginger, then salt, eggs, which is optional, then oil, the oil we are going to be frying it with. So to start with now, we are going to be adding water into our bean. I'm going to be using black-eyed bean. You can use any beans of your choice, but I love using this black-eyed bean whenever I want to make akara. After that, we are going to be covering our bean with a plastic wrap. Or you can cover it with a foil paper and set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are going to remove the plastic wrap from our beans after 10 minutes. And now we are going to be transferring the beans into our blender. We are going to be putting the beans bit by bit, depending on the size of the jar of your blender, and also to save the blender engine. Then we are going to be adding water into the jar where we have put in the beans. Then we are going to be covering it. We are going to be blending the beans with the pause button, that is the on and off. As you can see, as we are turning it on and off, the peels are removing. The peels are removing from our beans. Repeat the same process till you finish blending all the beans. Now this is my blended bean. I poured it inside a bigger bowl where I'll be separating the beans from the peel. And at this point, you might need to add more water. So in order not to consume much water, you can just get a little bowl, a smaller bowl. Then you can be straining the water into the bowl. Then you just remove the strainer up like this. You take it up, then you pour the water back into the bowl of beans. Then you return the strainer into the smaller bowl. Mix the beans, then strain again. Pour it into the strainer again. We are going to repeat this process till we see that our beans is well cleaned. Now guys, this is the outcome of our soaking, blending and washing. As you can see, it is nicely washed and it is all clean. All the peel are out of the beans. We now have the inside of the beans, and the next step is we are going to be adding water into the beans, and we are going to be leaving it, and also we are going to be adding a little salt. Add a little salt into the water of the beans. Then we are going to be leaving it for 4 hours. Now we are going to start the final blending of our beans. You add some amount of beans into the blender jar. Then you add the onions, add onions, add ginger, add garlic into it, add habanero pepper, add chili bell pepper into it. Then you can also add a little water. Okay. Then we are going to be covering it and blend. We are going to blend it now till it gets soft, very smooth and soft. Now our beans is very soft now. Then we are going to be transferring it into a bowl. Then we will repeat the blending process till we finish blending all our beans. Now we are going to be adding little salt and seasoning to taste. Just a pinch of salt and a pinch of seasoning. And also we are going to be adding the egg into it. Like I said, the egg is optional. If you wish, you can add egg, and if you didn't add egg, it's all fine. We are going to beat some air into the batter to make it fluffy and so soft. And also you can use a wooden spoon. So if you don't have a hand mixer, use a wooden spoon. Now it's all done. As you can see, it's so fluffy now, and we are going to be moving to the frying part of it. After confirming that the oil is preheated, then we are going to be scooping the butter into the oil as shown. We are going to fry our akara on a medium heat. You can use a scooper to scoop it into the oil, but I am using a spoon. Continue scooping it into the oil. And when you are done scooping it into the oil, you should be flipping the akara over to the other side so that they won't get burnt. We are going to be frying our akara on a medium heat until it turns golden brown. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also drop any comments you might have for me so that I can check and get back to you. I would really love to read from you guys. Don't forget to flip the akara over to the other side so that it won't get burned. Now our akara is done, we are going to be packing it into a plate. Wow, this is so nice. This is our akara, guys. We are now going to be tasting it. This akara can also be called beans ball or beans cake, but the African name for it is akara. Guys, please try and do this akara at home, and don't forget to give me feedback. Thank you very much for watching this wonderful video. See you next time. Bye.